Every year, leaders across the exchange industry gather to discuss the latest developments across the futures and options market at the International Futures Industry Conference. To give us a little recap about what took place, I am joined now by Jennifer Ilkiw, president of ICE Futures US, who attended the conference in Boca Raton, Florida. Jen, thank you so much for joining us today.
Hi, Trinity. Thank you so much for having me.
Now, this is your first FIA Boca as president of ICE's US Futures Exchange. How did you enjoy the conference?
Um, the conference has been really good. It's been a huge buzz of people, and so much going on, so many people wanting to talk about so many different parts of the market. One of the things we really found was interesting is the talk about all the volatility and all the different things that have happened in the market, even in the last year, from everything from SVP, Signature, Silvergate, and then Credit Suisse as we landed here, to the FTX collapse and the crypto issues, to the Ukraine war and the price caps, Ion cybersecurity attacks, the LME nickel crisis. It was all about volatility and figuring out ways to manage that.
Can you tell us about what you have heard from customers and what attendees were most eager to discuss?
Someone had asked Tribune actually about who is my boss. Tribune covers all the exchanges. They wanted to ask him, well, what would happen with clearinghouses and exchanges as they want to manage volatility and risk? And how do we look at doing that? And it was very clear that from the exchange point of view, it's not just about the exchanges and clearinghouses managing the volatility, but we provide a haven where firms can expect continuity, stability, and a place where they can trust.
And as you head back here to New York and settle into your new role, what are you most excited about focusing on across IFUS?
They have so much variety, the contracts that we have, from our soft contracts, coffee, sugar, cocoa, all the way to equity derivatives, and our power, our gas, and our environmental markets. The environmental markets still, to me, are really exciting. They're changing all the time. It's trying to figure out, as new regulation comes in, how are we going to work with the compliance markets? How are we going to work with the voluntary markets? How are we going to help people to manage their risk? Because all of these firms, these companies, they are looking at how to meet their commitments. And it's everyone from the man on the street all the way through to corporates and financial institutions. And when they do this, they need to manage their price risk. And we're here to do that. So we're trying to figure out the best contracts that they can do that with.
Great. Some key takeaways there. Thank you so much for joining us, Jen, and we'll see you soon.
Great. Thank you so much.